Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Kushwah and today's my topic inheritance. So we are see the definition of inheritance. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. It is the mechanism by which one class is allowed to inherit the feature and methods of another class. Inheritance means creating a new class based on existing ones. A class that inherits from another class can reuse the method and field of that class. Real life example of inheritance in C++, a child inherits his father's surname, properties and behaviors. So we are seeing this code of inheritance. So firstly we are creating a class from additional class that is called base class, and we are written a code for variable declare int and b, int a and b. So we are written cout to print enter two numbers on the screen to take a input of user. And second, we are creating a void sum function to add of two numbers in the base class. And secondly, we are creating a derived class of subtraction and inherit of the base class. This name is addition, and we are subtract the a and b and call the main function and creating a object. This name is subtraction object. Object dot get data to access base class function. Object dot sum call base class method. Object dot diff call derived class method and return 0 to execute our program to proper. And types of inheritance. Single inheritance. A derived class inherit from one class and one base class. Multiple inheritance. A derived class inherit from multiple base class. Multi-level inheritance. A class is derived from another derived class, forming a chain. Hierarchical inheritance. Multiple derived class inherit from a single base class. Hybrid inheritance, a combination of two or more types of inheritance that is the complete. Thank you.